Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of using AI-generated art. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in the art world, and for good reason. AI-generated art has the ability to create unique and stunning pieces that would be impossible for a human artist to replicate. One of the biggest benefits of using AI-generated art is the ability to create an almost infinite number of variations. An AI algorithm can be programmed to generate an endless number of different styles, colors, and compositions, giving artists and designers access to a vast library of creative options. This means that you can use AI to come up with different variations of the same piece of art, which can be especially useful for designers working on branding or marketing campaigns. Another benefit of using AI-generated art is that it can save time and effort. Generating art manually can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, but with AI, it's possible to create a wide range of art in a fraction of the time. This can be especially useful for designers working on tight deadlines or for those who want to quickly generate a large number of variations for a project. AI-generated art can also be used to create art for a variety of different mediums. From digital art to physical sculptures, AI can be used to create art that can be displayed in galleries, on websites, or even in public spaces. This means that you can use AI to create art that can be used for a wide range of different applications, from advertising to fashion design. Another benefit of AI-generated art is that it can be used to create art that is not possible to create by humans, such as 3D fractals, deep dream images, and other forms of generative art. These types of art are unique and captivating, and they can be used to create stunning visuals that are not possible to create by humans. But it's important to note that AI-generated art is not meant to replace human artists, but rather to complement and enhance the art created by humans. It's a tool that can be used by artists and designers to push the boundaries of what's possible in the art world. In conclusion, AI-generated art has many benefits, from time-saving to creating an infinite number of variations. It also has the ability to create art that is not possible for humans to replicate. Additionally, it can be used for a variety of different mediums and applications. But it's important to remember that AI-generated art is not meant to replace human artists, but rather to enhance and complement the art created by humans. By using AI-generated art, artists and designers can push the boundaries of what's possible in the art world and create truly unique and stunning pieces that will captivate audiences. Furthermore, AI can also be used to create new forms of art and bring new perspectives to the field, which can provide inspiration for human artists. AI can be used to generate new forms of art that were not possible before, which can open up new possibilities for artists and designers. Another benefit of AI-generated art is that it can be used to create art for various industries such as advertising, gaming, and film production. AI can be used to create unique and stunning visuals that would be impossible for humans to replicate, making it an essential tool for artists and designers working in these fields. In summary, AI-generated art has many benefits that can help artists and designers to create unique and stunning pieces that would be impossible for humans to replicate. With its ability to create an almost infinite number of variations, save time and effort, and be used in various mediums and industries, it's a tool that can enhance and push the boundaries of the art world. Thanks for watching.